Bumblebee! Friendly! Enemy ships are coming in hot! Get on! Get on! Hold your knickers, I'm punching it!
They got 3 ships on him!
I'm giving it the juice. Come on, B! Take him out!
Good move, B!
This one's for you, a-hole.
If you're gonna do something, you better do it! Come on!
I'm sick of this crap. You fly. I'll shoot.
Hey! You better let me find this big-ass gun to make the ship go faster!
Whoa. Listen up, crash course, tracer guns. Punch forward to fire, slide back to reload.
What?
Punch, hold, slide, repeat. Punch, hold, slide, repeat.
Wait, what are you talking about?
I don't really know what he means.
Good luck.
Where are you going?
To lay some hate.
Okay, punch, hold, slide, repeat. Punch, hold, slide, repeat.
Yeah, going wild. These alien guns kick ass.
Come on, you gotta move. Fire the gun! That was insane! Cass, you okay? Okay. Sir? You better have insurance. Insurance? It's a freaking spaceship. You go get insurance on a freaking spaceship. Good luck with that, buddy. Is your car? Huh? Sweetie, hand me my alien gun.
Here you go.
Trust your dad.